Are you feeling stuck in your studies? No matter how much you try, you can't seem to get through it, right? Today, let's dive into the powerful role of the subconscious mind in overcoming these study blocks. Welcome to Subconscious World, where we explore how the mind shapes our reality and guides us to success. Many of us struggle to stay focused while studying. We sit with our books, but our minds are filled with doubts, fears, and distractions. Will I ever understand this? What if I fail? These thoughts keep us stuck because our subconscious mind is highly responsive to the beliefs we hold. What if I told you that these thoughts are actually creating mental blocks? The subconscious mind is like a powerful computer, storing all your beliefs, habits, and patterns. And when we constantly fill it with negativity, it starts to act on those beliefs, reinforcing the struggle. The subconscious mind is actually designed to help us succeed. It's always listening to our inner dialogue and can either work with us or against us. Imagine having a mental partner who's constantly working to solve your problems, even while you're sleeping. That's your subconscious. But how do we get this mental powerhouse to work for us? Especially when we're feeling stuck, it all comes down to what we feed it. Positive thoughts, affirmations, and visualizations can reprogram your mind to believe that success in studies is possible. Here are 3 techniques to help you tap into your subconscious power and boost your study performance. Affirmations. Start by telling yourself, I am focused, capable, and can easily understand my studies. Repeat these affirmations every day, especially before bed, when the subconscious is most receptive. Visualization. Visualize yourself studying effortlessly, feeling confident, and successfully completing your exams. Picture every detail and feel the success as if it's already happened. Relaxation. Take a few minutes to relax. Each day, meditation or deep breathing helps clear your mind and open it to positive influences, so your subconscious can store empowering thoughts. Remember, the key is consistency. The more you feed your subconscious positive messages, the more it will guide you toward success. Don't let temporary setbacks define your potential. Use the power of your mind to move past study, struggles, and achieve greatness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who may need this boost. Thank you for watching, and welcome to a new world of possibilities with Subconscious World.